Here in the Domain tab, you can set a custom domain for your account. Simply paste your domain into the basic domain box. In this case, I've got contact.raythevideoguide.me. Now this is the domain your clients are going to see when they're setting up appointments with you. To finish this up, we're going to copy the IP right here, and we're going to paste it inside the DNS settings of our website. In my case, I'm using Namecheap. However, any domain registrar will work pretty much the same. So what we have to do is we have to go to our domain and then go to the advanced DNS settings. Now down here, we're going to add a new record. And the type of record that we're going to create is an A record. And then we're going to paste the IP address that we copied from our account. And then we're going to choose a host. Now for the host, this is going to be the subdomain that you're using. So for instance, in my case, I may use contact. So that would be contact.raythevideoguide.me. Once I'm done, I simply hit OK to save the changes. Once we've added this record, all we have to do is hit Add Domain inside of our account.